A sense of peace comes with starting anew, like the stillness after a storm. The place that once provided solace and happiness now seems unfamiliar, haunted by memories and triggers of what once was. But what if I told you that your home has the power to heal, to transform, and to help you embrace a new beginning? That through the art of interior design, you can reclaim your space and rebuild your life. Our homes are more than just physical spaces. They are the canvas upon which we paint our lives. They have the power to influence our emotions, shape our experiences, and support us through the inevitable changes and challenges we face. Whether you're going through a divorce, grieving the loss of a partner, ending a long-term relationship, moving to a new place, or starting a new chapter in your life, your home can be a powerful tool for healing and self-discovery. Navigating a major life transition can be overwhelming, and the thought of redesigning your home may feel like an added burden. You may be asking yourself, where do I even begin? How can I create a space that supports my emotional well-being and helps me move forward? The challenges of redesigning your home during a difficult time are numerous. You may be dealing with budget constraints, time limitations, or the emotional toll of letting go of the past. You might feel stuck or unsure how to create a space reflecting your new identity and aspirations. But here's the truth. You don't have to face these challenges alone. With the right guidance, tools, and mindset, you can transform your home into a powerful ally in your healing journey. You have the strength and creativity within you to design a space that nurtures your soul and supports your growth. Hello, and welcome to FABB by Design. To our new viewers, we extend a warm welcome, and if you're a familiar face, welcome back. It's always a pleasure to have you here. In this video, we'll explore how you can harness the transformative potential of interior design to create a home that supports you through life's transitions and inspires you to thrive. We'll provide practical tips, heartfelt guidance, and actionable steps to help you transform your space and embrace a new beginning with confidence and resilience. Let's get started, shall we? Before you begin redesigning your home, take a moment to assess your space and your needs. Consider how you want to use each room and what functions it should serve in your new life. Make a list of the changes you'd like to make and prioritize them based on your budget and timeline. To expand on this, create a room-by-room checklist to evaluate your space and identify areas that need improvement. Consider your daily routines and how your home can better support your lifestyle. Set realistic goals and timelines for your redesign project. Create a mood board or Pinterest board to gather inspiration and visualize your ideal space. One of the most important steps in embracing a new beginning is letting go of the past. Go through your belongings and declutter anything that no longer serves you or brings you joy. Donate, sell, or dispose of items that hold painful memories or don't fit your new lifestyle. This process can be therapeutic and help you create space for new possibilities. To make this process more manageable, start with one room at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Use the 1-year rule. If you haven't used an item in the past year, consider letting it go. Create designated piles for items to keep, donate, sell, or dispose of. Consider hiring a professional organizer or enlisting the help of a friend for support and accountability. Color has a profound impact on our emotions and energy levels. When selecting a color palette, consider hues that evoke calm, happiness, and empowerment. Soft neutrals, soothing blues, and energizing greens are great options. Use online tools like Canva and Adobe Color to explore color schemes and combinations. Adding texture and patterns can breathe life into your space and elevate its aesthetic appeal. Think about incorporating a mix of materials such as cozy textiles, sleek metals, and natural woods. This variety not only adds visual interest, but also creates a tactile experience that makes your home feel inviting and dynamic. Patterns can be introduced through rugs, throw pillows, curtains, and even wall art. Choose patterns that resonate with your personal style, whether it's geometric, floral, or abstract. Don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns, but aim to keep a cohesive theme by sticking to your chosen color palette. Texture and patterns are the unsung heroes of interior design, providing depth and personality to your space. By thoughtfully layering these elements, you can create a home that feels both stylish and comfortable, truly reflecting your unique taste and lifestyle. The layout of your furniture can greatly influence the feel and function of a room. Experiment with different arrangements to find a layout that promotes good flow and serves your daily needs. Consider creating distinct zones for activities like working, relaxing, and entertaining. Remember, your home should be a reflection of your new lifestyle and priorities. To take this a step further, create a floor plan using online tools or graph paper to experiment with different layouts. Consider the natural traffic flow of each room and arrange furniture accordingly. Use multifunctional furniture pieces like ottomans or storage benches to maximize space and functionality. And don't be afraid to move furniture away from walls to create a more intimate and conversational layout. As you redesign your space, don't forget to incorporate personal touches that make your home feel uniquely yours. Display artwork, photos, or mementos that inspire you and bring you joy. Choose decor elements that reflect your interests, travels, or aspirations. These personal touches will help you connect with your space and make it feel like a true haven. Expand on this by creating a gallery wall of your favorite photos, artwork, or travel mementos. Display collections or hobbies in a stylish and organized manner. Use throw pillows, blankets, or rugs to add pops of color and texture that reflect your personal style. Incorporate meaningful quotes, affirmations, or words of inspiration through wall art or decor elements. However, avoid mass-produced inspirational word art because they are often cliché, impersonal, and add nothing unique to your space. Opt instead for more personalized and meaningful wall decor. Every home needs a dedicated space for rest, relaxation, and self-care. Whether it's a cozy reading nook, a peaceful bedroom, or a serene bathroom, create a sanctuary that allows you to unwind and recharge. Invest in comfortable furnishings, soft lighting, and soothing decor elements that promote a sense of tranquility and well-being. To further enhance this, invest in high-quality bedding, pillows, and linens for a luxurious and comfortable sleep experience. Create a spa-like bathroom with plush towels, aromatic candles, and a rainfall shower head. Set up a dedicated meditation or reading corner with a comfortable chair, calming artwork, and soothing lighting. Use a white noise machine or nature sounds to create a peaceful ambiance. Natural light and plants have a remarkable ability to uplift our moods and breathe life into a space. Maximize natural light by opening curtains, using sheer window treatments, and strategically placing mirrors. Incorporate plants throughout your home to purify the air, reduce stress, and add a touch of nature. Consider low-maintenance options like succulents, snake plants, or pothos if you're new to plant parenthood. To further enhance the benefits of natural light and greenery, install sheer or light-filtering curtains to diffuse harsh sunlight while maintaining privacy. Use mirrors strategically to reflect natural light and create the illusion of a larger space. Choose plants that thrive in your home-specific lighting conditions, whether that's low, medium, or high light. And why not create a mini indoor garden or an herb kitchen to bring a touch of nature and freshness right into your space? While redesigning your home, consider investing in a few key pieces that will anchor your space and elevate your overall design. This could be a statement sofa, a stunning piece of artwork, or a high-quality rug. These investment pieces will not only add style and function to your home, but also serve as a reminder of your commitment to your new beginning. To make the most of these key pieces, choose a statement piece that reflects your personal style and serves as a focal point for each room. Invest in high-quality, comfortable seating options like a supportive office chair or a plush reading chair. Consider splurging on a piece of art that speaks to you and brings you daily joy and inspiration. And don't overlook the importance of good lighting. Invest in dimmable overhead lights, task lighting, and ambient lighting options to enhance the atmosphere of your home. Redesigning your home after a major life transition is a process, not an overnight transformation. Be patient with yourself and enjoy the journey of creating a space that reflects your new chapter. Take breaks when you need to and celebrate the small victories along the way. Remember, your home is a work in progress, just like your healing and growth. Set realistic expectations and break your redesign project into manageable phases or mini goals. Celebrate each milestone along the way, whether it's finishing a room or finding the perfect decor piece. Take before and after photos to document your progress and appreciate how far you've come. And don't forget to practice self-care and take breaks when needed to avoid burnout or decision fatigue. As you put the finishing touches on your redesigned home, take a moment to celebrate your new beginning. Create a gratitude journal or memory box to reflect on your journey and the positive changes in your life. Invite friends and family for a housewarming gathering. Host a vision, prayer board, or goal-setting party to share your new space and aspirations with loved ones. Consider sharing your story and transformation on social media or a blog to inspire others going through similar life transitions. Plan a solo staycation or self-care day to fully enjoy and appreciate your newly redesigned home, or simply spend quiet time enjoying your newfound sense of peace and empowerment. Your home is now a testament to your strength, resilience, and ability to embrace change. Embracing a new beginning through interior design is not just about transforming your space, it's about transforming your life. By creating a home that reflects your unique story, supports your well-being, and inspires your dreams, you're not just redesigning your surroundings, you're redesigning your future. Remember, your home is your sanctuary, your canvas, and your mirror. It has the power to uplift you, heal you, and propel you forward. So as you embark on this new chapter, trust in the process, trust in yourself, and trust in the transformative magic of interior design. I hope that the insights, strategies, and inspiration we've shared have empowered you to create a home that not only reflects your best self, but also nurtures your soul and enriches your life. Remember, every ending is a new beginning, and every space has the potential for greatness. The power to design a beautiful life is within you. All you have to do is start. Congratulations on this beautiful new chapter. Thank you kindly for watching. Watch this next video for more inspiration, and remember to live life fabulously.